stalking, acecho. So he was arrested on charges of stalking. I'm going to give it a moment just in case you want to give it a go. A possibility. Fue arrestado por cargos de acecho. And this one, if you're new to court interpreting, you might have never heard of this one, release on own recognizance. If you just pull it up in a book, you're like, what does that mean? Libertad bajo palabra. It makes more sense once we hear it how we'll encounter it in real life, or an example of it. The judge ordered the defendant released on his own recognizance. El juez ordenó que el acusado quedara en libertad bajo palabra. Good girl, Zena. Our next set of key terms here, we have parenting, parenting plan, and parenting time. The idea here is crianza. That's our key term. We have plan de crianza and visita de crianza. A possible example sentence here. The court approved the parenting plan submitted by both parents. El tribunal aprobó el plan de crianza que presentaron ambos padres. And what about a subpoena? The witness received a subpoena to appear in court. A subpoena es un citatorio. El testigo recibió un citatorio para comparecer ante el tribunal la próxima semana. And we just went over parenting, and that was crianza. But when it comes to a term such as termination of parental rights has a very unique set for that. And so termination of parental rights, we could say privación de la patria potestad. Patria potestad for parental rights, so the rights of parents. In an example sentence, the court held a hearing on the termination of parental rights. El tribunal llevó a cabo una audiencia sobre la privación de la patria potestad. When I took the test, one of my weakest ones was going from Spanish to English. And so terms like this, patria potestad, I know I need to focus on things that if I just saw it from Spanish and had to go into English, it would take me quite a while to figure out patria potestad was parental rights. So this is one I just need to hammer in. Our next term, traffic citation, as in she wants to contest the traffic citation. A traffic citation es un citatorio de tránsito. But in that example sentence, she wants to contest the traffic citation. To contest, it's not to just regularly contestar. To contest means to challenge it. And to challenge it, a great verb to use here is impugnar. So we could say this as ella quiere impugnar el citatorio de tránsito. Right, friends, and just one more term today, and this has been over from the Oregon Standardized English to Spanish legal terms provided by the Oregon Judicial Department. This is our last one from this one, so we'll have to find new study materials, but I hope you've enjoyed this section. For waiver of rights, we could say that as renuncia a los derechos. And how might we hear it in real life? The defendant signed a waiver of rights before entering the plea. El acusado firmó una renuncia a los derechos antes de presentar la declaración. All right, friends, that was a lot to digest. I hope you enjoyed studying this with me. I had a really good time really focusing on what my state likes. I feel like I really learned a lot. And thank you for studying along with me. New here, my name is Luisa. This is Zena. I am in Oregon. I am working as a medical interpreter, but I'm studying and hope to someday be a certified court interpreter. So thank you for following me along on the journey. I hope that someday, you get to see me in court as a real interpreter. Have a great rest of the day and bye-bye.